Nash is in the tunnel. Shelly's with him. And Scarlett and Tegan. Shelly and Gigi. Bramble's talking to me. And here's Prima. Nash is trying to go over the thing. Nash and Tegan right there at the red disc. Scarlett. Tegan's a little daredevil. She's standing up on that disc. There's Molly, of course. Molly 2. Gigi. Bramble and Scarlett. It's hard to tell. There's Gigi. Tegan. There's Shelly. Come, Shelly, run into me. There's Nash and Prima. Oh boy. Shelly climbing up. Bramble. Are you talking to me, Gigi? Scarlett and Nash. Molly too. Oh my. There's Tegan. Playing with Shelly. Tegan is wild. And Bramble wants to be held, yes. Oh, there's Prima and Nash. Gigi and Shelly. Scarlett and Molly too. Tegan and Bramble. Scarlett's coming over and Shelly. There's Prima and Gigi. Molly too. Tegan's going with it. Gigi has found her voice and she talks to me a lot. Hi, Tegan. There's Tegan and Shelly. Nash. Gigi and Prima. And Miss Molly too. Hi, Molly too. And Tegan over there. Nash. And Scarlett. Scarlett, what are you doing, Scarlett? Scarlett, what you doing, Scarlett, huh? Yeah. I hear you, Bramble. Nash and Shelly. Prima, what you doing, Prima? Huh, Prima girl? Molly too. Molly too. What you doing? What you doing, Shelly? I'm Nash. Are you guys burning it off? Let's burn off some energy, huh? I hear you, Gigi. I hear you. I hear you, Gigi. I hear you. Go run it off. I hear you, Gigi. Go run. Bramble and Tegan are doing their rounds. In and out of the tunnel. Round and round. There's Prima on the disc. There goes Molly. Everybody wants to see what I'm doing. Everybody wants to see what I'm doing. Hello, Nash. Hello. What are we doing over here, huh? I know, Gigi. You just got lots to say, huh? Nash just bulldozed you. Well, you got Prima a little stick. Tegan's climbing up the bridge. Tegan! Whoop! There she went. Our little daredevil. There's Molly. Oh, Scarlett has got Tegan down. Molly! Where's Molly too? Molly, there's Molly too. Hi, Molly. Molly? What are you doing, Molly? What are you doing, beautiful girl? What are you doing, huh? Oh, they got Tegan down. Tegan! What are you doing, Tegan? What are you doing? Oh, I hear you, Gigi. I hear you, Gigi. That's all I can hear is Gigi. Hi, Scarlett. Hi, Scarlett, girl. Oh, Shelly says, be quiet. We're all trying to get some attention here. Be quiet. Shelly. Yeah. Are you guys going to be nice and quiet tonight, huh? Oh, yeah, we'll go run you out, huh? Look at them back there. Scarlett, what you doing, Scarlett, huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Bramble and Tegan. Going to be tired. Gigi, you so funny. Molly, what you doing, Molly? Molly girl. Molly girl. Molly girl. Molly girl. Hi, Scarlett. Oh, hi, Scarlett. Hi, Prima girl. Hello, Mr. Nash. Hello, Gigi girl. What you doing, Shelly? Come here, Shelly girl. Come here, Tegan. Come on. She said, you ain't taking me out. Hello, Bramble. Hello, Tegan. Woof, woof. Run, Bramble, run. Run, Shelly, run. Run, Bramble. What's she doing? Auntie again? Molly? What you doing, huh? Yeah, Miss Scarlett. Are you working up a sweat? Oh, goodness, I know it's rough. It's rough. Yeah, everybody's getting tired, huh? Except for Gigi. Huh, Gigi? Is Gigi getting tired? Yeah. Running with your mouth open, huh? Yeah, yeah. Everybody's... What you doing, Tegan? Are you ready to go in? Molly says, whoo, I'm just getting started. Come on. Huh, Molly? Everybody's huddled up. Let's go, let's go. Come on, run, run, run. Run, run, run. Come on, let's run. Run, guys, run. Come on. Bramble. Come on. Come on, everybody, run. Come on, through the hoop. Let's go through the hoop. Come on. Let's see how many are going to go through. Oh, good girl, Molly. All right, good girl. Shelly and Prima, come on. Oh, you cheater, Nash. Everybody's up on the thing. Oh, there you went. Come on, down the bottom. Come on, over the stairs. Come on, yay, come on. Oh, come on, over the stairs. Come on down. Come on up. Up and down. Come on, Tegan. Come on. Oh, there you go. Come on. Oh, we got the whole herd over here. Yes, we do. Everybody's over here. Bramble and Scarlett. Oh, Tegan's talking to me. Come on, Tegan. Hi, Molly. Hi, everybody. Hi, Bramble. Tegan. Come on, Nash. All right, come on, let's go over here.